Okay, so this is what I'm going to do here. Show you guys a little preview of the audio system I've put in my little truck here. Yep, it's a crappy little Pioneer head unit. I've got some AQ 6.5 coaxes, 3-ways that I put in, door pods that I made. Yeah, they're not pretty, but they're very functional. They sound great. There's the other one over there. It's awkward positioning in this truck for putting in audio, to say the least. So anyways, here we go. Let's listen to a little bit of Ludacris, How Low.
Can you go? How close can you go? How low can you go? How close can you go? How low can you go?
Yeah, and the rattling you're hearing, that's actually the 6.5 rattling the doors. This truck has 0 sound deadening. Pretty surprised at how much output on the low end that little 6.5s can do. If it's distorted, it's because of the camera pickup, because there's 0 distortion happening here.